forgot he was your bitch. Hey. You know, Kevin.
Dude, I can't see what I'm doing either.
Woo. Pretty good arm.
Almost. Look at this motherfucker right here. He got a fat. Look at that fat boy. Fat boy.
Hey.
Yeah.
You throw. I'm telling you. You think it's too far, you're probably too far. So. Hey. Jump into those. Let it hit your body. It's just a Nerf football. It hits your face. It's just a.
Coach Tremaine and shit.
It's not gonna hurt you, you know what I'm saying? Look, I'll show you. I'll show you. Look.
He gonna show you.